Resists abrasion and corrosion. Made of high quality. Highly durable and reliable. Easy installation. Manufactured under stringent standards. Motorcraft oil pressure switches are designed and tested to meet OE specifications for durability and reliability under extreme conditions. They are manufactured under stringent standards, ensuring lasting durability. These switches resist abrasion and environmental corrosion. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my 1999 Ford Mustang 3.8. Had a huge leak from the old one. I guess it gave way after 22 years of good service. New one solved my oil leak. I think the car gave me a heads up this sensor was going to fail some weeks before the actual leak. My oil pressure gauge was acting erratically. It would jump up and down depending if I accelerated or not. Sometimes it would not move at all and mark 0 oil pressure. Thought it was the main front seal, but no, it was this sensor. It was full of oil and left a pool of oil in the driveway. Quick fix.